Hey my babies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today is another wig install, and this wig was sponsored by VSHOWHAIR. I have worked with them before. They're good on lace for sure and quality, so I was excited for it, and I was also excited because this was a 99J curly wig. I did a 99J wig before, but that was a body wave wig, so I was pretty excited to try this 99J in curly hair. I already knew the color looks good on myself, so not to toot my own horn, but like, yeah, I've done it before, so I know. So yeah, I'm pretty much excited, especially to try it because it's curly. So I went ahead and I did my ball cap method. I have to do a video with my updated ball cap method because, like, yeah, I have to do one. But yeah, I already did it, and now I'm pretty much just spraying the lace with some even tinted lace spray. Oh, I forgot, this wig is a 13x4, 180% density, and I think it's 26 inches. It's kinky curly, so it's a little bit like it's not going to fall at 26 inch. It's like when you stretch it, it's 26 inches. But yeah, it's supposed to be 26 inches. But anyways, all I did was I went in and I plucked the hair. I tried bleaching it, but it did not move. I feel like, I don't know, but it didn't move at all, so it didn't make any sense to bleach it. But I did go ahead and I plucked it off camera, and then I also sprayed it with my even tinted lace spray, which I use in the color light warm brown. But yeah, that's pretty much all I did, and I'm going to be using glue to do this install. It's not glueless. This glue that I used, it was not really strong enough. Like, I don't know, that's why whenever people always ask me like what glue do I normally use, I would tell them Bolt Hold Active, just because it's pretty much the only glue that I've used so far that really sticks, like it grips it. Actually, no, Erica J's glue is good as well. Like, yeah, that glue is not bad, but the Bolt Hold really hold it. I don't know if it's because I'm not, like, for the glue that I like, other glues that I've used, maybe I need to use more coat because I really just use only 3 coats. So maybe if I try using the 7 coat that is normally required, then probably it would have held better. But yeah, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I am doing my TikTok video while I'm doing this video, so if you see, anything, that's why. If I'm looking to the side, that is why. But yeah, I didn't really do much that I need to explain, so I'm gonna just let you guys watch the video, and I'll come back if I need to say anything. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Once again, I would like to thank all of you guys. We're almost at 23k. I'm so happy. Like 23,000 people love me. Like, are you crazy? Why? But thank you guys for rocking with me, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Also, everything for this hair will be in the description box, so always check the description box if you ever see me do hair videos and all. But yeah, thank you. Bye.